Hi guys, it's Laura. Thanks for watching and welcome back to my channel. So usually I'm filming for this channel just the creative stuff, but today I felt like filming something a little bit different. I've decided I'm going to document for you my outfits of an entire week, and I will point out the pieces that I made myself and link the tutorials down below, because that way you can see how I style the stuff that we already made together. So today it's Monday, a perfect day to start such a project. And to be honest, my outfit is not necessarily me made, but there is one piece that I'm wearing today that I made myself, and that's my necklace. I am wearing this sugar skull pendant that I made myself. I made two versions. This is definitely my favorite. It's made of polymer clay and I embellished it with rhinestones, and I used a plain nail polish. I've been told that that's not necessarily the best way how to do that, because the nail polish could dissolve long-term the polymer clay, so I highly recommend using any paint or polish that's actually suited for polymer clay. But so far I didn't have any issues. I am wearing it on this steel necklace in rose gold color, and today I paired it with this dark green dress. The dress is definitely one of my favorite dresses. I call it the Christmas tree dress, partially because of the dark green color, which is one of my favorite colors ever, and partially because of the structure. The dress has two loops on each side here, like one loop on each side, I should say, and I can pull through the loops either some kind of a chain or a belt, and today I went with this brown belt because it goes well with the rose gold jewelry. And since it's still pretty cold, I'm gonna wear a cardigan over it when I go to work, but I know that it's pretty warm in our office, so I will probably take this sweater off. So that's Monday. The winter coat that I'll be wearing the entire week is this coat with the plush on it. That's a coat I made myself. If you have followed me for a while, then you have probably seen the tutorials. If you're new here or if you missed that videos, I will link them down below. It's made of velvet and two different types of plush. A perfect thing because, first of all, no animal had to die for this coat, and second, I can even wash it in my washing machine, which is long-term also more convenient than having a coat that you have to bring to dry cleaners. And now I'm gonna model the coat for you. There was one change on my winter coat. I added the same plush that I have around my sleeves and around the edge of my hood, also on the bottom, because I still had a few pieces of the plush left, and it was exactly the amount I needed for the bottom edge. And now the coat is even a little bit longer, and because it's a little bit longer and because the plush is so warm, it is even just a little bit warmer, and that's perfect for winter. Today I'm wearing this stretchy black Nicky velvet dress. It's super comfy. It feels like wearing loungewear to work. It's that comfortable and cozy. It has this belly pocket in the front, so it's more of a sporty style. And here on the neckline I have a cord and, as usual, my signature crest with a howling wolf and a moon. I have a tutorial for a very similar dress that I made last year in summer. The dress didn't have any sleeves, but other than that, it's the same style and basically the same pattern. It has also a belly pocket, so I will link the tutorial down below. I paired the dress with warm stockings and these high boots, and of course I'm gonna wear it with my winter coat that you have seen yesterday. It's Wednesday, and today one of my colleagues and I are gonna go skating for about an hour. So instead of wearing any dress or skirt, I'm wearing simple stretchy pants. I will link the tutorial for pants like this down below. It was a tutorial for jeggings, but it's basically the same pattern and it was exactly the same procedure. So instead of using a jersey that looks like denim, I have used a thicker black jersey. There's a little bit of polyester in this cotton and spandex, and they are so comfy. The pants are high waist, which is my absolutely favorite type of pants. They are just so comfortable, and they have pockets on the back. So on one of my pockets I have my signature crest. And I'm pairing the stretchy pants with this loose gray sweater with a fluffy scarf, and I have here my gray beanie, gray leg warmers, and black boots. That's the jacket that I'll be wearing, and I'm also bringing an extra pair of gray fluffy socks for my skates. Today it's Thursday, and today I'm again wearing a skirt. I just love skirts and dresses so much, and in winter I'm always wearing them with these warm stockings, so it's super comfy. Now today I'm having this tight top with 3/4 sleeves. I edged the neckline and the end of the sleeves with lace. And this skirt is something you probably know if you have followed me for a while. I have a tutorial for this skirt. The skirt is made of faux suede. The only disadvantage is that it kind of likes to stick to the stockings. So I made a second skirt exactly the same way of a stretchy lining, and I'm basically wearing an underskirt in winter when I'm wearing stockings, or like in fall, or whenever it's too cold to be like, yeah, without stockings. That's kind of stating the obvious as usual. On my neck, I'm wearing my favorite moonstone necklace with a howling wolf, and I recently bought 2 of these wonderful amethyst hexagons, and I bought 2 different lengths of a chain. So today I'm wearing the long one. And this belt is a belt that I made for my checked dress that I made with you guys not so long ago. So I will link the tutorial for the dress also down below. And the belt is something I also like wearing, for example, with this skirt, because I think it looks really pretty. And I'm pairing this entire outfit with this stretchy sweater with plush collar. I actually don't know where I bought this sweater, but I've had this sweater for at least 10 years. So I can't really tell you where it was from, but I think it's really pretty, and it goes really well with the entire outfit. And here's what it looks like when the sweater is closed. Today is Friday, and I'm very excited about my today's outfit because this cardigan that I'm wearing is something I actually just finished yesterday in the evening, and the cardigan is made of 2 IKEA blankets. I just love fluffy, cozy blankets, and for me, having a cardigan made of them is the perfect way how to be able to wear blankets, being wrapped in blankets the entire winter without people noticing them and thinking I'm entirely crazy. So I'm gonna go a little bit closer so that you can see the details. I made this duffel coat closure on the cardigan, and I have buttons that look like the tip of antlers, but it's made of plastic, so don't worry, no animals were harmed for these. And I have here, as usual, my signature crest. I made 2 quite large breast pockets and 2 bottom pockets, and these are really big so that even my huge phone can fit in them. And the great thing about this cardigan is that I have a hood that I can button on. I will not wear it today because I'm gonna wear a coat over this, but I guess when it gets warmer, when I'm gonna wear this as a coat outside instead of just a sweater underneath the coat, I'm probably gonna most of the time wear it with the hood. So this is what the hood looks like, and it has these little press buttons. I think I have to adjust the camera, so I think now you should be able to see that. So yeah, these little plastic press buttons, and with these I can button the hood on. So underneath I'm wearing this dark gray shirt with a print of a moon and a howling wolf. One of my favorite shirts. I like the cut, I like the material. These shirts are available in my Spreadshirt shop, so hashtag self-promotion. And whenever any of my prints is being sold with their articles, I always get a small commission. So I'm not responsible for the production or for the sales. I basically just offer my prints with their articles. And as I said, whenever anything like that is being sold, then I get a small commission, just so you know. Yeah, and I will link the particular shirt down below in case you're interested. And I paired this shirt with blue jeans. I like high-waist jeans way better than low-waist jeans. However, these jeans fit so well. They are low waist, but they are very high in the back, and for whatever reason they fit so great. But I have to wear them with a belt, otherwise they kind of, you know, slide down, and I don't like that. And that's one of the reasons why I actually like this shirt, because it's kind of fitted, but it's still loose enough so that I don't have the bulge of the belt in the front when I wear it over these jeans. So I'm gonna go a little bit closer. You see that's wide enough so that I can still wear it and have a belt and not lose my jeans. Perfect. And I'm also wearing fluffy socks. So these are the socks I'm wearing. They are actually knee-high, but I usually just fold them and then kind of push them downwards like warmers. And over all this, the cardigan and these things, I'm gonna wear my winter coat, and I'm also gonna wear work boots. Today it's Saturday, so I'm wearing basically just loungewear because I'll be staying at home for most of the time. I only have to go shortly to a grocery store, so I'm not gonna dress up for that. So the things that I'm wearing are following. So I have here these simple black leggings. They are actually at this point a little bit washed out because I've been wearing them so often. I have a tutorial for leggings, so I will link it down below. And I'm wearing them with a raglan shirt and with this hoodie. So the raglan shirt is a shirt I made myself. Again, a tutorial for a similar shirt is linked down below. And this hoodie is a hoodie I bought many years ago. It has been an olive color, but since I'm obsessed with this dark green, at some point I dyed the hoodie to this dark green, and I added also my signature crest. So now I'm gonna show you the shirt. I enjoy long shirts with leggings so much. Oh yeah, and on my feet I have this knitted socks. I didn't make them myself, but a mother of a friend of mine made these for me because I wanted to have some cute dark green socks. She also made me this ring scarf and leg warmers. So today I'll be probably wearing the ring scarf with this outfit, but not the leg warmers. And here again, the shirt. So it's a very simple cut, raglan sleeves, and other than that, it's just fitted and it's pretty long. So when I turn, it kind of reaches almost the bottom of my buttocks. This is my favorite length of shirts whenever I'm wearing them with leggings. So that's my Saturday's outfit. Hello Sunday. So today I have decided to wear this kind of a weird combination. For whatever reason it felt right. It's a striped sweater and sugar skull leggings. Admittedly not the most fashionable combination I have ever worn, but it kind of felt right, and it's super comfy and warm, and that's all that matters. So let's start with the sweater. So it's a striped sweater. The stripes are very thin. I actually wished they were a little bit bigger and a little bit further apart. I'm still looking for the right type of knitwear with stripes that I could turn into a similar sweater. But I still like it. It has these elbow pads and buttons on the shoulders, and it has my signature crest. It's a really nice length because it covers at least part of the butt. The leggings, that's basically the same pattern like the leggings I have worn yesterday, only this time they have a sugar skull print, and I'm again wearing fluffy socks. And I have braided my hair. I need to wash my hair later, but I also have to go to the airport at some point because Jack is returning today from Minneapolis, so I didn't want to wash my hair yet. I will do that later in the afternoon. Well, and that's also the last outfit of this outfit diary. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to film videos like that more often, where I would show you some pieces I have tutorials for on this channel, how I style them, how I wear them, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give the video a thumb up. You can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And as always, I will list and link down below some stuff that might be interesting and useful for you. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and see you soon. Bye!